Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on the Rover 800 once again. In this video we're going to try and make it start, which is going to be quite a challenge seeing as it hasn't been started since probably at least 2002. So let's get cracking.
So when I got the car, the doors were completely empty. They didn't have any locking mechanisms in them, they didn't have any window regulators in them or any electrics wiring, nothing. They were completely empty. It was just essentially a shell. So what I then did is, from my parts, I installed the window motor regulators, the locking mechanisms, the door handles and all the electrics. But in doing so, I found out the spares that I had were Mark 1B. And this is a Mark 1C car, so not all the connectors matched up. So what I've actually done is I put all the wiring in and hooked it back up to the door harness. And now that everything's assembled and back in the door, apart from the glass, I'm hoping to take the clips off the end and have the wires crimped in.
Right then, so what have we done so far on the engine then?
Well, so far I've took the top cover off. I put a spoonful of oil into each of the cylinders after I removed the leads and the sparks, just to give it a bit of lubrication really. And then I took the bolt off the fuel filter just to check if I was getting through, and that was about it really.
Yeah.
Under the bonnet.
So this will really be its first time starting.
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
In what, 18 years, 20 years?
Maybe
more.
Quite possibly. I last looked. The V5 was last issued in 1998. So we're talking 20 odd years.
Yeah, 20 odd years.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, let's get cracking then.
Super.
Looking at my face. Right everybody, so what we've got now is we've got the camera set up in here and we've got the camera set up on the engine bay, and what we're going to do is give it a start, see whether it'll go, and then what we're going to do is change the oil and filter and see if that will help as well. Right, so you guys ready?
Yeah, ready when you are, mate.
Does the lights come on the dash? Oh my god, they do. Do I need to press the brake pedal? I don't know, just natural instinct does. Right, I'm going. Again. Oh!
I told you it would start.
Oh! That's the smell of 3-star petrol, innit?
Go again.
Go again, yeah.
I don't like that knocking noise though.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Alright, I'll tell you what, leave it. What we'll do,
Okay.
we'll have that cover off.
Yeah,
Check
timing,
fresh oil.
filter, fresh oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So I'm just going to check the fuel filter, because before I replaced the fuel pump, I wasn't getting any fuel from this, and as you can see, that's absolutely pissing fuel out now. So that's a good sign. Whoa! Nick, is there a process for this or what?
For what?
I thought it just leaked. I didn't know it shit it out.
Have you turned the ignition off?
That shouldn't come out like that, should it?
Yeah, it should. There'll be a bit of pressure in the lines. I mean, luckily it's not a diesel because...
Again?
You haven't got it in your eye, have you?
You have, yeah.
Go and wash it out
Nah,
quickly because you'll lose
I'll be
your
right.
sight.
I'll be right. I lived in Brighton for 3 years. I've had worse than that in my eye. ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Whoa, hang on. I know why it's not doing that.
It's not fuel.
Yeah, hang on. Fucking thing.
Still got a quarter of a tank.
For driving in summer. It's alright, you'll be able to find one of them really easily. Is he cold? Yeah.
Right, okay, try again. Come on!
That's big.
What?
Pushing 4,000 reps.
This sounds alright.
No, I've got to put the camera on. Well, I'm going to drop it and see if it will. Ready?
No.
Fine, man. It's starting better though.
That's idling.
It's idling.
I could
take
pitch
that.
you!
Yeah, that's flying top. The back part picture on the right.
So it's just that one. Go on, fight. Yes! You get it, dear lad? Remember them
Yeah,
toys?
that's why.
Do you remember them toys?
Yeah,
Dan, do it again.
that's why, Dan.
Watch,
There's no food in it.
Watch the magic trick. Overjoyed. I just can't believe it. I mean, you know, I thought we'd get somewhere today, but I never thought we'd have it running after what we suspect is 20 odd years. I don't really know what to say. I'm speechless. I'm chuffed. It's working. It's great.
Nick,
Yeah.
thoughts? Man, a few words.
Top job.
Top banana.
I'll tell you what. Do you want to do something else?
Go on then.
Sit in it.
Yeah.
Keep your hand on the handbrake, obviously. Stick it in reverse. See if it moves.
Reverse lights are working.
Ready?
Wait, oh!
Moves.
Yeah.
Oh!
So the gearbox works.
That's the first time it's moved under its own
So
power in 20 years.
It moves under its own steam. The engine's running for the first time in possibly 20 years. All the electrics work. It seems to be fairly solid underneath. Yeah, happy. I don't want to call an early victory, but I think
It's on its way.
It's on its way,
First step
definitely.
on the road to recovery.
Yeah. And a road to recovery is always better than a road to nowhere.
Yeah, or a road to a scrapyard. Yes. Somebody was headed to. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and we shall see you in the next video.
Its heart's beating again, and then turning it off, it's almost like it might never start again. I'm just gonna fire it to see.